Mr.
filed
Chair.
against you. Sige, go ahead.
Hindi ko po sinasarado yung pag-waive ko po. Again, sinign ko po siya that night nung binigay po ni Comsec po sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi po ako nagdalawang isip. Pero dahil nga po finalan nila ako ng kaso, I just want to, like, para maging protected din sa sarili ko.
But you have to remember, yung filing ng kaso sa iyo, it's a for preliminary investigation. So ngayon, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Cassie, kasi sa dami-dami naman na pumasok na pera doon sa Whirlwind, saka sa Lucky South. So sino mga nare-remember mo that you issued check na mga kilalang personalidad?
Wala po.
Wala kang na-issuehan?
Sa pagkakaalala. Wala po.
Sa pagkakaalala mo. So may nakakalimutan ka pa?
Hindi po. I mean, sa pagkakaalala ko po, wala po.
You're under oath?
Yes po. Kaya nga po, sa pagkakaalala ko po, wala po.
Sa pagkakaalala mo?
Opo.
Alam mo, magandang sagot yan eh. Kasi kapag na-corner ka naman, sasabihin mo, ay, naku, nakalimutan ko kasi yun. Di ba?
Hindi po.
Di ba?
Ang alam ko po, wala po.
Wala kang naaalala na politiko, senador, gobernador, mayor, congressman?
Wala po. Wala po.
Wala.
Wala po.
Okay, cash. Yung binigay mong cash.
Saan po?
Sa mga tao sa likod ng Pogo.
Connected sa Pogo po.
Oo, yes.
Again, Mr. Chair,
Wala din.
hindi po ako
Ang nagbibigay.
operational ng Pogo.
Okay, so we're trying to make it sure, no? Kasi, ha? Ayan, sabi ni Chairman Ako, talaga, alam mo kasi kasi,
Kindly wrap up.
we wanted to help you, no? Kasi 58% yung ownership mo ng Whirlwind. And when you issued a transmission of money to PAGCOR amounting to more than $500,000, including the $50,000 cash, no? Medyo questionable na sa amin yun eh. Kasi siyempre, for a young businesswoman as you are, no? Parang yung paghahawak mo ng ganung malaking pera, medyo mag-iisip kami kung talagang galing sa'yo. Or, I mean, sino nagbigay sa'yo ng ganung kalaking pera?
Regarding naman sa PAGCOR payments po, hindi po siya galing sa amin at hindi po siya galing sa Whirlwind. Galing po siya sa Lucky South.
Correct. Lucky South.
Sa renter, yeah.
Yes, Lucky South 99, di
Yes,
ba?
galing sa mga okay lang po i-explain ko.
Yes, sige, go ahead.
Oo.
Kasi ito yung issue mong ano...
Yes po. That's why nandyan po yung pangalan ko po. Ako po yung authorized po ng Lucky South para magbayad po niyan.
Yes, correct.
Opo.
So ngayon,
Yung pera na po yan, hindi ko po in-issue from my own. Hindi din po siya galing sa corporation po namin.
wait. In-issue mo itong $200,000 sa account number 340-403-7632. Yan yung sa PAGCOR Dollar Fund. At in-issue, ito naman ang galing sa iyo, Catherine Ong, Lucky South Outsourcing Incorporated, OGL 23-1102. Tapos, andito yung account number. So, kaninong pera yon?
Yung pera po yun, galing po sa Lucky South.
Na ikaw ang nag-issue.
Na ako po yung nagbayad.
Sige, kaya nga, wire transfer.
Hindi po siya transfer.
Binayad mo ng cash?
Yes po, sa Land Bank po. Ayan po yung resibo po.
Yeah, ikaw nagbayad ng cash sa Land Bank.
Yes po.
So, dinala mo yung pera na $200,000 sa Land Bank para payment sa PAGCOR.
Opo.
At sino nagbigay sa iyo ng $200,000?
Si Mr. Cheng po.
Si?
Yung assistant ni Mr. Cheng.
Ching.
C-H-E-N-G. Ayun ang alam ko kasi Chinese eh.
Okay. Alright.
Pwede interject lang si
Ay, okay, sige, go ahead, Congressman.
Paduano.
Ano lang po, Miss Cassie. Kasi, kanina pa po naririnig ko that you are not involved in Lucky South 999 operation. But inadmit mo po that during your visit in PAGCOR to settle the accounts of Lucky South 999 with Harry Roque, bakit ikaw? Di ba sabi mo kanina, you're not involved in the operation of Lucky South 999? Then, all of a sudden, you represent Lucky South 999 sa PAGCOR na alam mo, Pogong pinag-usapan doon, that the sublease agreement, not the sale of the property in which ang claim mo is real property lang kayo. And you've said na hindi ka involved sa Pogo. But now, you're confirming that you represent Lucky South 999 to settle the account of a POGO licensee, which is Lucky South 999, doon sa PAGCOR. Napaka-inconsistent po.
Hindi po.
Bakit hindi?
Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun yung problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po?
Yeah, tapusin
Pero
mo.
po, hindi po ako, wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie, na patapusin mo munang magtanong ang ating mga membro bago ka sumagot.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Please proceed, Congressman.
Lastly,
And address
Chairman,
the chair, Mr. Chair. Ask her, direct her to address the chair.
And address the chair. Pag sasagot ka, address the chair bago ka sumagot. Okay?
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Let it be put on record that Cassie Ong is lying because inconsistent po yung sinasabi niya kanina. Nakikinig lang po ako, is not representing Lucky South 999, but here comes the payment of accounts. Siya po ang bumayad. Kahit sabihin mo pa po, hindi mo pera from Chen, but still, you represent Lucky South 99 in PAGCOR to settle that account. That's on record. At pag dinay mo, you're lying na.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Please proceed, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, Cassie, there was an issue between you and Mr. Dennis Cunanan with regards to the $500,000 that supposedly Mr. Harry Roque told us that you gave to Dennis Cunanan. What's the truth about this?
Ang ano po dyan is, ang sabi po ni Dennis Cunanan is, naloko po siya.
Pero nagbigay ka ng $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan? Because Dennis Cunanan was denying under oath that he received $500,000 from you.
I think hindi po.
Nagbigay ka ba o hindi?
Nagbigay po, pero hindi po buong 500 po.
Magkano binigay mo?
I-double check ko po.
Mr. Chairman.
Cassandra, panay ka check ha?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo matatandaan yung ganong kalaking pera, $500,000 or $400,000 na ibinigay mo kay Dennis Cunanan? Personal mo bang binigay yung $500,000? Sabihin na natin $400,000. Personal bang binigay kay Dennis Cunanan yung $400,000 or whatever price is that? Whatever amount is that? Personal ba o hindi?
Yes po.
Personal. Binigay mo sa kanya. So, kung binigay mo yung almost $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan, so ibig sabihin, nagsisinungaling si Dennis Cunanan.
Mr. Chair, hindi po isahan yan.
Yes, no matter what. So, basta nagbigay ka ng almost $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan. Nagbigay ka.
Hindi ko po alam yung amount, pero nagbigay po, pero hindi isahan po.
Okay, is Dennis Cunanan here?
Yes, yes, he's here. Kindly wrap up your question,
Yes,
Congressman
I'm about to
Fernandez.
be done, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Dennis Cunanan, so you were denying the $500,000, and according to Miss Miss Cassie, Cassandra, nagbigay siya sa'yo ng $500,000 or less than $500,000. Ano ba totoo dito, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Your Honors, we will stand by our statement that we didn't get that. Whatever the reason for their action, I suppose they just wanted to get a payment plan with PAGCOR, which eventually they were able to settle with PAGCOR. So I suppose, Your Honors, on that aspect of the fund that they were talking about, nothing was missing with the government agency, and I suppose that is something that they have to deal with me personally, and we will act on it based on how it is being presented, Your Honors. Because As far as we are concerned, since that time on and until this point in time, nothing legal have been happened on our part. We were even being asked support to help them with their reapplication for registration. So if that thing happened, I suppose they will not even call back on me and ask for support, particular to their re-registration,
Were you able
reapplication for
to-
registration.
Yeah, okay. Were you able to hear what she just said on this committee regarding the $500,000 that you misuse the money of $500,000? Is that correct, ano? Cassie?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po is parang naloko po siya.
Naloko ka daw.
Opo, pero hindi, ang alam ko po is hindi po.
But you are denying that you accepted money from Cassie Ong.
Yes, Your Honor, because we don't deal directly.
So in
Your
other
Honors.
words, Mr. Chairman, somebody is lying between the two. Maliwanag na maliwanag. May nagsisinungaling sa inyong dalawa. Hindi namin malaman kung ikaw o si Cassie.
Your Honors, if I may, when I was working for them as their liaison, particular to their application for registration, we did. We helped them facilitate their fees with PAGCOR, and these were properly documented. That's why they got their license.
Okay, thank you. Cassie, meron ka bang what you call this acknowledgement, receipt that you have given him the staggered amount of $500,000?
Mr. Chair, bali, naging witnesses lang po ko noong mga panahon na yon.
Naging
Pero-
what? Naging what?
Naging witness
Mr.
lang
Chair.
po. Pero,
Point of order.
Yes, sir.
What is the point of order of Congressman Ako?
The resource person has not been recognized by the chair and she is answering.
Yeah.
That's the rule that I stated this morning, Mr. Chair, that before a resource person can answer or say anything, he must ask permission from the chair.
Attorney, can you please advise your client for the last time that she has to first be recognized by the chair, second, address the chair before she replies to any question propounded by the member. Okay, thank you. Last warning.
So again, Cassie, I will repeat my question. Do you have an acknowledgement receipt regarding the your giving the staggered payments to Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
pwede na po.
You ask permission.
Pwede.
Mr. Chair, you
Mr.
always
Chair,
say
pwede
You
na
always
po.
say Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, sagutin mo siya and then you say, Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
sagutin mo siya.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Mr. Chair, always
Yes po.
start with your statement with Mr. Chair. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Chair, bali po, naging witnesses lang po ako noong mga panahon na yon na to prove na parang na ako lang, tawag doon, dumaan po talaga yung money kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan po.
Hindi, what do you mean by witnesses? I mean, naging witness ka. Pero ang sabi mo kanina, ibinigay mo staggered yung pera. So paano ka naging witness sa isang bagay na pagbibigay mo? Sinong... I
Bali
can't
po-
get it. I cannot get it.
Mr. Chair, pwede mo po Mr. Chair, bali po, may ibang tao nag-aabot sa kanya, nandun lang po ako.
Is this true, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Again, Your Honors, whatever were entrusted to us at that time were properly documented and were properly, because they will not have their license if we haven't done our part and our role. So whatever the transactions that went through with them internally, by the time I was out, wala na po akong alam doon sa mga nangyari.
Mr. Chair, quick manifestation. Mr. Cunanan is not being responsive to the Honorable Dan Fernandez because he was asking for a confirmation if it is true that Cassandra Ong was only witnessing the handing of money to Dennis Cunanan.
No, ma'am.
So it is
Your
not
Honors,
true.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, kung naging witness ka lang, Cassie, nung pagbibigay ng pera kay Dennis Cunanan,
Mr. Chair, it was denied already by Mr. Dennis Cunanan. With all due respect.
Mr. Chairman,
okay, all right.
Mr. Chairman,
Sige.
if, with the indulgence of Congressman, again, let me put in record that, again, he's lying. Ms. Cassie is lying because a while ago, he said, while Dennis Cunanan is not present during the time, he said, she said that he gave the money to Dennis Cunanan. And now, sinasabi niya na naman na witness lang daw siya. Again, she represents Lucky South 999 paying such amount to Dennis Cunanan. And of course, Dennis Cunanan is now refuting that. But if Cassie Ong will stand on that statement, she's lying. Dalawa na po. Dalawang instant na. Nung una, sabi niya, real estate lang, wala siyang pakialam sa operation ng Lucky South 999. Nagpag-core sila, then, eto na naman, kay Dennis Cunanan. Sinabi niya kanina, nandito tayo lahat. You check the record. Sabi mo, binigay mo kay Dennis Cunanan yung pera. Now, you're telling us again, bago na naman na you're just a witness. So you're lying. Just for the record, Mr. Chairman. Dalawa na yan.
Thank you.
Pag pangatlo, baka mapilitan ako that I will move to cite you again in contempt. Pinagbigyan ka na po noong nakaraan. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Fernandez,
And as a
please
matter of
wrap
fact,
up.
yeah, this will be my last question. And as a matter of fact, Miss Cassandra Ong, no, we have to remind you to be truthful. We've been very, very lenient with you. And we hope that you will try to answer all the questions truthfully. Otherwise, this committee, again, will cite you in contempt. As a matter of fact, the reason why we withdraw you being cited in contempt, because you agreed that you will sign the waiver. And unfortunately, hindi mo itinuloy, and you were still thinking about it. And we might think also that we will be citing you in contempt if ever that you continue to lie. We hope, Miss Cassandra Ong, you will come to your own senses and try to help this Quadcom. Because, unfortunately, parang napapansin namin na nagiging complacent ka with the treatment that we are giving to you. Don't. Please. Because the reason why we tried to be lenient, because you are so young, and we don't want you to be put in jail with that age. And accordingly, kapag nag-file na yung mga victims ng human trafficking, we are telling you, walang bail yan. Right away, ikukulong ka. So, Mr. Chair, I want to give to Ms. Cassandra Leong this Republic Act number 6981 para for her to contemplate while she's in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti to. We are helping you. Huwag ka maniwala sa mga lawyer mo. Daily lamang ang gusto ng mga yan. Hindi, I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course. We know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo yan si Atty. Topacio, ayun, ang daming banat kay Congressman Abante. Ang daming banat kay Jinky Luistro. Ang daming banat sa akin lingkod. So, it's our time to get even. No? Alam mo, pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is